Well YouTubers, this is Born Technical, and in this video I'm going to show you how to remove background noise in Premiere Pro without using any third-party software. So what we are going to do, we have a clip or a video like this, so it's linked with the audio. Now we go to presets and type denoiser, denoiser, and place it over right. First we listen the clip, we don't placing anything. So what is Photoshop? Photoshop is a raster graphics software. Raster graphics means pixel based software. What is pixel? Small box. So you listen the background noise is so what we are going to do, we drag this plugin effect on the audio, not this one, this one. Place over right here and go to custom setup and go in the beginning, select the clip and add effect and go in the beginning and type here -20, enter. Now listen, what's the difference? Well YouTubers, this is Born Technical. In this video I'm going to starting a series about Photoshop. We can also do, you can do again on the beginning and type -10. So now listen. Well YouTubers, this is Born Technical. In this video I'm going to starting a series about Photoshop. No, this is, you type 5 and then listen. Shop to give you a free information what is Photoshop. No, not like that. Or -5 and then listen. It will be about 10 to 15 videos on that's what we want. So I hope you like this video. If you like, please make sure to subscribe my YouTube channel, like this video, comment your question below and let me know how you like, and thanks for watching.